Don't translate. Hello guys, my name is Samir. You are watching my video. Today I want to share with you like a topic, don't translate. Why people are translating, what is the reason? I'm going to share with you in this video. Please watch this video till the end, okay? Guys, we always think about translating. Why? Because we know we already spend our mother tongue language, our Hindi language. We do not think English proper. That's why reason sometime we feel to stuck about English, about hesitation, because we always think Hindi native language. We do not think about English directly. We always try to translating in our mind, in our cell phone, like that. Why we do? Because we made a mistake, we made a habit. That's why reason always our mind telling about like just translate a vocabulary, translate a meaning of, translate any story, like that. We do not think like we are learning a English language. So why we are not searching English to English? Why we are not translating English to English, like that? Always we made a big mistake. Guys, this mistake definitely future time it will not help. It will, we can say we will just going deeply. We are not thinking about easy way. Seriously, like we have a translate, we have a lots of software like translating about Hindi to English. Always we just use, we do not think about like English to English. I'm going to give example. For example, guys, if you talk to in front of your friend circle about English language, that moment you try to make a good conversation, but some kind of sentence and word, that moment you do not think proper, then you use a Hindi, and you think about your mind like which word how to we call English, then you take a pause. So I think whenever you take a pause, so maybe it's look like weird, because that moment we do not say like good conversation. We think Hindi to English. So it's very difficult part, guys, seriously. That's why reason we are not improving a English language without hesitation. Like for example, if you attend your class and in front of people, you do not speak in front of people, because we always think Hindi to English. Guys, English just a language, okay? We can learn. If we think about English to English, definitely automatically our mind will be thinking. But it's very important to think, it's very important to just stop or translate Hindi to English, just translate English to English. How? Like for example, if you get a one word, if you confuse like how to call English, okay, then search out in Google easy way. Means like, you will get a easy way, like for example, enthusiasm and any confidence, any kind of word. Just take a word, if you confuse, then try to find a easy meaning, easy definition, easy word, easy sentence, like that. If you translate English to English, guys, seriously, you will build yourself, you will always think English, and you will never face a stuck hesitation. Just avoid your bad habit, avoid translating, guys. That's why reason we are not speaking proper, we are not thinking about English. Sometime we take a pause, we hesitate in front of people. That's why reason we always translating. Why we are translating? Because we made a habit, we spend a Hindi environment, we spend like our native language, we always think about our native language. We do not serious about English. That's why we feel too complicate, we feel too stuck about English language, and we are telling it's very difficult for me, because we are translating. Guys, just stop translating and translate to English. I know that starting point little bit, not little bit, is a feel to a problem, get a problem, and about sometime complicate, it's okay. But if you make a habit about English, definitely future time, like after 1 week, 1 month, you will able to understand everything. What do you mean by translating English to English? You will find a good way, you will always try to make a easy way. And I'm going to tell a guys, always think easy, always speak clearly, simple. Go to simple way, don't go like complicate, don't use a high-fi word, fancy word, vocabulary like that. Just use a simple sentence, simple story, simple word, simple vocabulary. It's very important. This simple thing guys, your communication will build, and future time automatically you will convert advanced level automatically. It's very important guys. Speak a simple, make a simple conversation, at least try, definitely it's gonna help. And just stop translating. I don't do that. That's why reason we are not improving. Just think about English language, just translate English to English. I know you are understanding, you are trying to understand what I'm talking about, but this is reality, guys. That's why reason we are not improving. We are not learning about English language. We are translating. We already made a bad habit. So avoid bad habit, accept a good habit, and make a good something about English. If you want to interest English language, then please do it. Please stop translating. Translate to English, don't translate native to English language. Okay, I know that it's very difficult, but if you do, definitely a difficult will gone, permanently gone. Okay, just do it. I hope so you are understanding. We will meet next video, next fantastic topic. Okay, I hope so you like this video guys. So please give me my feedback, and how was my topic, how was my video. Give me thumbs, do subscribe, and thank you very much. Always fight with English language. Okay, bye bye, see you soon. We will meet next video.